Well, hi everybody, it's Hubby here with Just About Anything Garage, and we have a special announcement for you. Okay, I got a couple little parts. We're going to show you some stuff, so enjoy the special announcement. We'll be right back with some other stuff here. Brr, it's a chilly day. Hey, it's Hubby here with Just About Anything Garage, and thought I'd take you guys along. We're going to go up and we're going to go check out a 1969 Corvette. It's a special one. It's an L42. If you know what the L42 package is, it's got the high output 350 in it, 350 horsepower, 11-to-1 compression ratio, matched with a 4-speed Muncie on there. All the cool stuff with it. Matching numbers it's supposed to be. It needs a total restore, the guy says. It needs a new frame. He's got a frame for it. We're gonna go up and we're gonna check it out, and yeah, if it's good, we're gonna get it, because he's only asking like $5 grand for it. He said he'd take $4,500 when I asked him. And if you go and you look at a couple sources, that sucker's worth anywhere between $46,000 and $70,000 in restored condition. And we'll just take it apart and put it back together again with the new frame and all new parts and make it original. Already verified the VIN number. We know that the VIN number is exactly what he says it is. He sent me a picture of it so that I could record it. So we're gonna go up, we're gonna take a look, and we'll bring you along with us. We've got to go up into Vermont. It's about an hour away. Not a lot to really show you. If we hit some windy roads, we'll pull it out and I'll show you. But if not, hey, we'll be back. All right, so hang tight. All right, guys, we got up here. We took up the Vette, and yep, we're putting a deal together. What can I tell you? 69. It's an L42. It's rough, it needs some work, but it's all there and it's all original, complete. He's gonna get it pulled out for me. We'll come back and figure out how we get it together here, pull it out. It also comes with this frame. It is a 69 or 68 frame, and I mean, it's not just the frame, it comes with the axles too, the front axles and the rear. So you know, we got duplicates of parts. So hey man, look at that. I'll take it. So we're gonna do it. We agreed on the $4,500. We're going to go and do that, sign bill of sale. I got the key. He's putting some of the parts in there, and I'll make arrangements to come back up here and get it. So I just wanted to let you guys know, and when we get it back, we'll put up a little bit more. But we're there. We're good. We're going to do it. All right. We'll catch you later. All right, so here it is, delivered in all its glory. They dropped it off yesterday. I was going to tape it, but they're shy. So we got a lot of work to do. We have to do a full assessment on this. I mean, and get into it and see what's going on. I mean, the hood isn't really attached. This is dropped over. But just to remind you, it was fairly cheap. It was only $4,500. It's a 69 T-top. It's a coupe, of course. But what makes it so good is it's an L46, which means it's got the high compression 350 in it, so it makes 350 horsepower. And he told me, because he knows the complete history of it, he believed it has an M22 rocket crusher in it, which would be cool. These aren't particularly rare. They made them 12,000 of them, I believe, in 69, but they only did 101 that had the rock crusher in it. So we're going to find out. We know the frame, it needs to be pulled off the frame because the frame's crusty and broken, and you know, he was pulling it around, so we got weird stuff. Like these are pointing in, so I don't have any idea what the underneath looks like. This one is askew, but I think it's the tire, not necessarily the rim. Hard to tell. But we're going to go through it. We're going to assess it. Right now we got it in the shop. We got the heat going to see if we can't warm it up and get some things, get it open. We're going to get it up. I got my set of dollies. We're going to put it on the dollies so we can move it around and assess it. It came with a full chassis. Let's go out and take a look at that. This is easy to go out the back door here. And I'm not sure what we're going to do with it yet, whether we're going to make it back to it. It's going to get restored, obviously. But do we do it, restore it as original because it's kind of a little bit special? Do we beef it up? I mean, I suspect, because I can't leave stuff well enough alone.
Here's the chassis that came with it. For the most part, complete and missing a couple little things, but it's solid. It's a 68, I believe. 68 and 69 chassis were the same, so got snow going. We just pulled it right off of his truck and right onto here. So we got a complete thing. Everything's locked up, of course, so we need to go through and do it, strip it all down, get it all cleaned up, get it set up, put all new parts on it. Take the advantage of putting, you know, lighter control arms on it, better bushings, and ball joints. Doesn't look like it's this one isn't power steering. I don't know about the other one, but we can upgrade because I like power steering in a Vette. So we're going to do different things. But anyways, here we go. It's here. That's the special announcement of a 1969. It's a little bit special because it's an L46 with the high compression stuff. And it'll be later. I mean, it's like we'll do the assessment now and that type of stuff, but the work probably won't start in earnest till it may not be till next fall. We've got right Laverne here, the 64 pickup that we got to get done because she's going to be my main hauler. So that's the next project focus, along with, of course, because we just released that, trying to get the 64 done and ready for spring. And that one's a lot closer. I mean, we're about to swap over onto body for that. We got a couple more things to do inside, but it'll be mechanically all set. But anyways, I wanted to put this quick announcement out. We got a new Vette in the shop. It's a 69. It's my favorite years for Corvettes. The C3s from 68 to 72. So we'll go with it. See what we got. We probably got a mess, a big pile that we're gonna have to clean up. So stay tuned. We got some good stuff coming for you. We appreciate you guys. If you do all that jazz for me, I would appreciate it. And we'll have some more stuff out soon. Hey, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, seeing how we're right around that time. All right, we'll catch you real soon. Thanks for watching.